समबोधत।
जय जय परमात्मन् संस्मरामो वयं त्वां निजपरमहितार्थं कर्मयोगैकनिष्ठा इह जगति सदा नस्त्यागसेवात्मबोधैः भवतु विहतविघ्ना ध्येयमार्गानुयात्रा वयं सुपुत्रा अमृतस्य नूनं तवैव कार्यार्थमिहोपजाता निष्कामबुद्ध्यार्थविपन्नसेवा विभो तवाराधनमस्मदीयम् प्रभो देहि देहे बलं धैर्यमन्तः सदाचारमादर्शभूतं विचारम् यदस्माभिरङ्गीकृतं पुण्यकार्यं तवैवाशिष पूर्णतां तत्प्रयातु जीवने यावदादानं स्यात् प्रदानं ततोऽधिकम् इत्येषा प्रार्थनास्माकं भगवन् परिपूर्यताम्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। This Vivekananda Kendra prayer basically is a collective prayer for the success, for the fulfillment of the objectives of Vivekananda Kendra, to spread the message of Swami Vivekananda far and wide, with the two objectives of man-making, nation-building and service to humanity as the worship to divinity. The prayer opens with the victorious, you can say, the reverence being expressed through the line Jai Jai Paramatman Sansmara Vayanpam. This is from the bottom of our hearts, all the Kendra Karyakartas remember that divinity, the Ishvara, and the very form of that Ishvara in the form of Bharat Mata and the entire culture of our country. We have taken to this work, all the Kendra workers, full-timers as well as the workers who spare their time taking care of their family, their profession, their vocation, and contribute without expecting anything in return. And that is for our Nija Paramahitartham. That Paramahita for us all, as it is a collective prayer. The collective prayer for every individual, not as an individual but as a collectivity, comprises of two aspects. One is the Abhyudaya, another is the Nishreyasa. The physical, the Bhautika, in, you can say, the wealth, the money terms, the life should be full, prosperous. At the same time, the inner aspirations of going and realizing that divinity in this very life itself. As Swami Vivekananda proclaims, each soul is potentially divine, and that divinity can be realized in this very life itself. This is the prayer, Nija Paramahitartham. And for that we have taken we are convinced, the conviction is that this is possible through the work being done with the attitude of yoga, means to realize one's own divinity and making ourselves as a part of the entire collectivity, the samashti, maybe the family, maybe the society, maybe the nation, and maybe the ultimate creation itself. Vayam Suputra Amrutasya Nunam, that's how begins the second stanza of this. Remembering that we are not the ordinary people. We have not taken birth by accident, but there is a certain purpose. And by taking the birth in this very holy land, Bharat Mata, we are again proclaiming that we are the children of that immortal soul, immortality, the divinity. And that's why, as Swamiji said, each soul is potentially divine. That divinity is very much part of, or that is the very basis on which this entire life is. Vayam suputra amrutasya nunam. And we are born to carry out the divine work, not we are just the instruments. The divine work is ordained, it has to happen. It is our fortune, or it is our duty to apply ourselves to this divine work. Vayam suputra amrutasya nunam tavaiva karyartham ihopajata. And all this work we will do with this nishkama buddhya, the selfless attitude. Nishkama buddhyartha vipanna seva. Two kinds of people we find in the society. One who have the need, who are in need of the basic facilities, basic necessities of life. But at the same time, there are many more who, having been given the basic necessities of life, they are deprived of, or they are distracted from the national culture, national ethos, and they are behind that mirage, as they call it, as mrugajar, no? The always craving for something more in kind and maybe in cash also. So that attitude has to go. So nishkama buddhyartha vipanna seva. That artha and vipanna, these are the two types of people for whom we are at their service, to correct their attitude, to correct their thinking, to bring them back to our national fold. Nishkama buddhyartha vipanna seva vibho tavaradhanamasmadiyam. That is our humble prayer to that all-pervading divinity, Vibho, as it is called. Yad asmabhi angikrutam punyakaram prabho dehi dehe balam dhairyamantah. For this we seek, we want appropriate strength. Prabho dehi dehe balam dhairyamantah. As also the courage, the conviction of everything in our mind, in our heart. Prabho dehi dehe balam dhairyamantah sadacharam adarsha bhutam vicharam. A commensurate with our ideals, with our objectives, our behavior, our character has to be accordingly. And that Prabho dehi dehe balam dhairyamantah sadacharam adarsha bhutam vicharam. Yat asmabhi angikrutam punyakaram. This is the holy work. This is the ordained work. This is the divine work. And we are born to do this. We have adopted this for us, ourselves. Yat asmabhi angikrutam punyakaram tavaivashisha purnatantat prayato. With the divine blessings, this work will be carried to its fruitful, purposeful conclusion. In this very life, Jivane Yavadadanam, this life is made up with the contribution of the society. Society nurtures every life, every individual. And what we gain or take from the society as we begin our journey from childhood and grow, as we become adult, as we get into the grihastha or as we become capable of leading our own life. The principle should be to take less and give more without expecting anything in return. That is the sum and substance of the entire approach. Jivane yavadadanam syat pradanam tatodhikam. Ittesha prarthana smakam bhagavan paripuryatam. That prayer, this is the urge what we place before the divinity, the Ishvara, and with his blessings, with his support, with his constant encouragement, we are sure that we will be able to carry this as our ahuti in the yajna for the national good.